We are here today to reveal our new steam iron reactor, SUR-1. We have invited our partners, sponsors and supporters to celebrate this glorious moment with us.
Well, I think today's event was a true inspiration to see what kind of innovative ideas young, bright minds as Team Solid are creating.
I think that this technology has major potential in the future, especially because it enables the transport of hydrogen, which is essential for many industries which need hydrogen.